Hello guys, welcome back to the coding solution. Today we are going to learn how to create dummy data in database using Seeder. As you can see, my database YouTube is connected with my local database YouTube. Here we can see there is only 3 table available in the database. Okay, so before starting in the code with the code, let's create a table in which we have to create dummy data. So we are going to create a product table using command php artisan make model product. This command will create a model for you, and if you use -m, then along with model, this -m will help us to create a migration. Okay, so as you can see, this migration is created for product, and model is also created for product. So let's create a column for product. Table string name. So we have a name for that product. String description for the product. Amount for the product. So we can create more column in this, but for now, okay, let's create one more column. Call it as rating. Okay, so we have created all the columns required for the product. Now let's create this table in the database using artisan command php artisan migrate. Okay, this table is created in the database. Okay, as we can see, the name, description, amount and rating are created. Now let's create a seeder. Make seed you can write any name here. For naming convention, I'm writing product table seeder. Okay, so seeder is created here. So this seeder we have to register in database seeder. That's it. Now we will create for loop here. So this for loop is basically to insert number of data in your column in your database product table. So let's say I just want to create 50 row in the table. App product create. Okay, so basically we will provide an array here. Name, these are the field name. There are 4 field in our system. Rating, amount, description. So if I'm writing the coding solution as a name and some random string as a description, amount will be 12, rating will be 3. So for all the 450 entries, the name, description, amount and rating will be same. So instead of getting same record, we will write this numbering, that is I, this number, that for loop number, $I, $I. Okay, Now let's run the command to insert. Let's see, there is no data in product. Okay, now we will run the command. Okay, this product table seeder has been seeded into the table. As you can see, this is the 50 record, and for differentiation we have prepended the numbering 1 2 3. If I'm checking for 100 record, there is only 50 record, because we were running for 50 record only. Okay, that's it from the seeder tutorial. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.